Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the method of answering phone calls on your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the phone app on your Google Pixel. Once the app opens, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on those three lines to reveal a list of options. From the menu that appears, look for and tap on Settings. This will take you into the phone app's configuration area where you can customize various calling features and preferences to match your needs. Next, in the settings menu, scroll through the options until you find incoming call gesture. Tap on this option to proceed. This feature allows you to control how you interact with incoming calls, making it easier to answer calls in a way that feels natural to you. Once you're in the incoming call gesture section, you'll need to tap on incoming call gesture again. This second tap will open up the different gesture options available for answering your calls, giving you control over how you want to respond when someone rings you. Now you'll see a list of available gesture methods. From these options, tap on single tap. This setting means that whenever you receive a phone call, you'll only need to tap the screen once to answer it, making the process quick and simple. This is particularly useful if you want a fast, no-fuss way to pick up calls without having to swipe or use multiple gestures. And that's it. You've successfully changed the method of answering phone calls on your Google Pixel to single tap, making it much easier to answer incoming calls with just one quick touch. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.